Hello everyone, I'm Charuta. Welcome to Urja Wellness and Joy. Today I'm presenting quick general guidance angel card reading for you all. This reading is timeless, so anytime in the future you can come back to the video and do the fresh reading again. Alright, so as usual, you have four options, and I have placed these beautiful feathers. Alright, so you have green feather, red feather, white feather, and blue feather. So I will give you few moments to select your pile. All right, and all those who selected this beautiful blue feather, let's check the messages. Autumn, nice. Release and surrender. All right, so I'll take this card first. The message is very strong. You know, you have been controlling many aspects of your life. All right, you have been praying very hard. Okay, so your ask is clear, but why you're not receiving what you want is you're just not ready to let go of controls. For example, if you have been praying for say money to show up, then you have your own belief that okay, I must receive money through xyz way only. Okay, so that is exactly which is blocking abundance in your life. All right, so I just took money as an example. So whatever challenges that you're going through, whether it is about career, relationships, money, or personal growth or something, there is huge resistance from your end. You need to relax. All right, you need to allow things to happen. All right, so how about you see, you know, I personally believe affirmations, when we combined with a prayer, really creates magic. So how about you praying, dear universe, you please create a situation where day by day I am able to make peace with myself or whatever I'm going through. Day by day I am willing to let go and surrender with ease. All right, you please create a situation where magical solutions are now appearing in my life. Any in your own language you frame sentences, but that those sentences should be aligned with the theme of release and surrender. Okay, if you can't do it practically, it is better to pray. All right. Autumn. All right, so I can just read out the message for you. In the fall season, everything comes together and you reap wonderful harvests of abundance. See, so if I have to relate these two cards, so whatever you are asking, okay, it is on the way. You just need to wait. Okay, so in the fall season, in the autumn season, you're gonna get whatever you are asking for. All right, so till then, what exactly you need to do? You need to wait. Again, wait in the sense you need to keep holding that vision of your whatever you're trying to manifest. Keep holding the vision without any worries or without any doubtful energy. All right, just tell the universe, I would like to experience xyz things, and then universe will give it to you, provided you allow universe to make it happen for you. Okay, so the message is very clear. You need to identify where exactly you are trying to control. Okay, and then you need to let it go. All those who selected this beautiful green feather, let's check the messages. Focus on service. All right, marriage, nice. Okay, I'll take this card first. So the first message is very clear. If you are looking for right partner, then definitely, guys, angels are saying right, Mr. Right or Mrs. Right is on the card. Okay, so it will soon happen. Okay, either marriage or engagement or commitment in the relationship. Definitely it will soon happen. Another message from this card is that if you're already married, and if you have been taking some efforts to improve your relationship with your partner, okay, so all your efforts will be paid off. So keep taking those efforts. Okay, and soon you will experience beautiful married life. All right. Another general message from this card is there's something that something in your life needs commitment. So it could be you just need to commit to a particular activity, or especially if you're trying too hard and if you're not getting any results. Okay, just introspect. Are you really being committed to you know uh, uh, to what you really seeking? Okay, so there is some commitment element is missing, so you need to be more committed. Also in everyday life, need to be more disciplined and committed. Okay, focus on service. All right, so this card is telling you you have been thinking more about, oh my god, I've been I've been doing a lot, and I've been taking a lot of efforts, but I'm not seeing the results. Okay, so angels are saying do not be so much attached with the outcome. All right, you must enjoy the process. Okay, you must just enjoy the process. So for example, if you're employed in a job, all right, so focus on the service doesn't mean that you need to do something free of cost. It is all about putting your whole and soul in whatever you're doing. All right, you just need to shift your focus from what I'm getting out of it to how I can serve others in a better manner. So it could be your clients, it could be other departments, or it could be just your family. You just need to focus on the service, means that you need to introspect, and your approach should be how can I serve them in a better manner. It is not about not charging or doing something free of cost. It is purely about service. All right, focus on excellence. All right, do not stay attached with the outcome. All right, also if I have to link these two cards, okay, especially people who are finding some issues in their married life, the message is that, all right, as a partner you must think that how can I help my partner, my spouse in a better manner. Now you need to be more sensitive about your partner's feelings, emotions and thoughts. Okay, you must understand their priorities, and you must make some adjustments. All right, to help them achieve what they are seeking. That's the message. All those who selected this beautiful red feather, let's check the messages. Entrepreneur, wow. Holiday, nice. So all right, guys, message is very clear that you guys deserve a break. All right, really it's time for you to go on holiday. Change of place is really important for you all. If you cannot go on holiday, or if you cannot book any resort or something like that, please ensure that you are taking some time out and stepping out of your house. All right, please do not stay indoor. This is a clear message that you need to go outdoor often. Okay, spend more time outdoors, spend more time with nature, especially near water bodies. It means it could be lake, sea, or river, like that. So definitely when you give yourself this time, this break, your energies will shift. All right, you will feel better, your stress will be relieved. All right, so it is very important for you to make your joy, make your happiness as a priority. Second card you got is entrepreneur. Yeah, so the message is very clear. Have you guys been thinking about self-employment lately? If yes, then definitely it's a clear sign to go ahead with your plans. All right, it is really good time for you to switch your careers. Okay, if you're employed in a job and you want to take up something else, you want to switch your career, be self-employed or start your business or be an entrepreneur, yes, definitely this is a good time. Practically, if you do not have any plans, and if just if that thought is at just an idea level, angels are telling you please do not discard it. All right, what you can do is you can note down all the ideas in your journal, but do not discard it by saying, oh, it is just a random thought. No, angels have been giving you inspired ideas. Please acknowledge it, okay? Eventually, you will land up in self employment or some kind of entrepreneurship role. All right, this card also indicates change of job, or receiving new opportunities, or receiving new creative ideas to deal with existing problems, or new ideas to achieve your goals. Okay, it is, this card is all about, feeling that spark, feeling that enthusiasm, feeling that feeling of inspiration to pursue something, to take up something, to try something new. All right, so do not ignore it. Thank you. All those who selected this beautiful white feather, let's check the messages. Children, wow. Acceptance, nice. So if I just have to relate these two cards and give you a message, then the first message is very clear that you need to accept your children the way they are. You need to, as a parent, you guys must understand that everybody has their own strength, challenges, weakness, and destiny. All right, so it is important as a parent to accept your children the way they are. Okay, just accept them with all their imperfections, and everything, the weaknesses, or all those bad behaviors and everything. First you need to accept. All right, now let's check the messages independently. The first card which you got is acceptance. So it means that, see, if you're trying to change any situation, the first thing that you need to do is accept what it is. Do not resist it. All right, so first of all, you need to accept the way you are. All right, you need to be patient with your own self. Okay, you need to be okay with all of your shortcomings and weaknesses and everything. So the point is that angels are saying, do not resist any changes, accept situations the way they are. Again, here acceptance doesn't mean that you are giving up. No, but first you need to make peace with whatever it is, and then only you can change the situation. The next card you got is children. All right, so if you are planning to have a baby, then definitely this is a very positive sign. Then that definitely baby is on the way. Your pregnancy will be safe, and you will surely get to experience beautiful motherhood, and you'll enjoy the parenting and all. Another message of this card is that your life purpose revolves around the children. So it means that you could be a good teacher, or you could do well in the business related to products of children, or it could be books, it could be toys, or it could be clothes, anything, some business regarding children. All right, so then if you, as a parent, if you have been worrying about your child, then the message is that their guardian angels are protecting them. So please do not worry. Okay, instead of worrying, keep praying. Okay, you need to hold the vision of ideal situation that you're expecting. All right, and just let go and surrender.